Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the non-linear SVM. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in machine learning or artificial intelligence. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, SVM stands for support vector machine. So what is actually SVM? SVM is one of the most popular supervised learning algorithm which is used for classification as well as regression problem. However, primarily it is used for classification problems in machine learning. So now, what is in detail non-linear SVM? Friend, non-linear SVM is used for non-linearly separated data, which means if a dataset cannot be classified by using a straight line, then such data is termed as non-linear data, and classifier used is called as non-linear SVM classifier. If data is linearly arranged, then we can separate it by using a straight line. But for non-linear data, we cannot draw a single straight line. Non-linear data means that few things are here, few things are here. So that means we cannot separate it in two basically groups. So that is why it is called as non-linear data. Now, so to separate these data points, we need to add one more dimension. For linear data, we have used two dimensions x and y. So for non-linear data, we will add a third dimension which is called as z. It can be calculated as z is equal to x square plus y square, y2, by adding the third dimension. Okay, so now this is the formula to calculate the basically non-linear SVM. By now SVM will divide the data set into classes in that way. Okay, after adding the third dimension, then since we are in 3D space, hence it is looking like a plane parallel to the x-axis. If we convert it in 2D space with z is equal to 1, then it will become as like that. Hence we get a circumference of radius 1 in case of non-linear data. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any question, please do ask me in the comment section. I would love to answer your queries, and thanks a lot for watching the video.